In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily see your Facebook password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, if you don't remember your Facebook password and you don't want to reset it, I'll show you two different ways how you can find it. The first way is to look for your password in your iPhone settings. You can also do so on your Android device, but I got just an iPhone, so on an iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down until you find Passwords. It will ask you to use your Face ID to get access to your saved passwords. And then once you are in here, we need to search for Facebook. As you can see, I got one saved password here for that user. I can just get into it. And then, if I would like to see my password, I can just stop right there. And it will show me my password. And also, from here, if I tap it, copy password, it will be copied to the clipboard. However, if you can't find your password here, it is probably stored in the password manager of your Google account. So just close Settings and open up any web browser. After that, go to Google.com and you have to be logged into your Google account. Obviously, once you've done that, tap right here at your profile picture. Manage your Google account. Then just drag it at beat and tap at security. Then scroll down all the way until you find Password Manager. After that, tap right here where it says Storage. Then enter Facebook. Tap on it. It may ask you to enter your Google account password. And once you've done that, you will be taken to the page where you can check your saved Facebook password. From here, you can tap at that icon to copy it to the clipboard. And also, you can tap at the eye icon to unhide it. That's how you can easily find your Facebook password.